In this video, you'll gain the knowledge and understanding of what makes a suitable site for a SolShare installation. A minimum number of 6 flats is recommended to ensure the project is financially viable and to fully utilise the sharing capabilities of the SolShare. There should be sufficient space for solar panels to generate enough electricity for the connected flats. The building would require a 3-phase cutout or multi-service distribution board, more commonly known as an MSDB. This is the key component which can normally be found in a plant room, under the stairs or storage areas. When speaking to someone who knows the building, it may also be called a right-field board, a loosely cut out or BEMCO unit. These can come in a range of sizes depending on the building. Ideally, the electrical meters should be co-located within the same plant room as the MSDB. This minimises the cable runs when connecting the SolShare outputs to each flat. If the meters are located in individual flats, you will simply need to run an AC cable from the SolShare to the point of solar connection, which would typically be the consumer unit, like a standard domestic PV install. Download our SolShare installation checklist from our website. Use it to record your findings during any site visit. Ready to get started? If you have a suitable site that meets these requirements, a Loom can assist you every step of the way. Our UK-wide certified SolShare installers will fully support your project from initial design to costings. We look forward to hearing from you.